Hi, welcome back to my channel. Bit of a different style today, more of a vlogging vibe. I thought I would bring you guys along to make maybe an awful decision with me. I have caved like many. I've watched too many Brad Mondo videos and I've decided to bleach and probably cut my own hair.
Oh my God!
So I went on Salon Services about a week ago to get some bleach and activating cream. I just got the TIGI because it had really high reviews online, and I got it in the 30 volume because it's what Brad told me to get. So then I got the True Light white powder. They had two, they had a purple and a white. I went for the white one because people were saying it's a lot easier to be able to see how the colour is lifting, because there's no kind of purple tinge to it. You can see immediately what colour the hair is going, so it'll be a bit easier to follow, and then I'll know when I can wash it off. So yeah, exciting. But yeah, so I will show you me doing it, and the end result I'll probably just speed it up and do it without sound or anything, just so you can have a look. Fingers crossed I don't F it up. I guess we'll see. Wish me luck. Okay, are you ready? Here is the finished look. I did it! Oh my god! So just as a reference, this is what I went from. So this was pre-home DIY hairdresser Meg. And this is the finished article. I think it's crazy how just something as silly as your hair makes you feel so much better. I needed this little boost of a new hair get up and I'm really pleased that I did it. I'm enjoying it. I like it. I'm chuffed. I think I did really decently, all things considered. It could have gone way worse. Obviously, yes, I know it's very yellow. I'm not surprised, but I did only bleach it the once. I didn't want to bleach it again. Just because I don't think it's necessary. Plus I put the peach on it at the end, which did kind of pink it up a bit and did tone it down a little, but the pink's kind of faded out and it's left like the warm orangey peachy tones, which has made it a bit more brassy. But I don't not like it. Originally I was thinking I was just going to throw a hot pink on it so that it faded down to like a bright peachy pink, which is what I really would like. And I think I still will do that. I will probably go and buy a bright pink and throw that on, because I've done my hair once before in the same way where I bleached it and then put on a really neon pink, but by the time, because the bleach is not white bleach, you know, it's more of a brassy toned bleach, by the time that it had taken to it, it does kind of tone down anyway. It's not like crazy bright. So I will probably eventually do that, but for the time being, I like it. I like a lot. And the haircut was minorly stressful. I did the Brad Mondo method, as he told me to, and got my mum to help me kind of measure out the sections and like put them where they needed to go. But I think she didn't really measure them right. And so at one point I had one section like here, one section here, and annoyingly I think my camera stopped filming then and I hadn't noticed. So there was a bit of behind the scenes like trimming, trying to fix it up, and my dad's really anal like I am, so he came on and helped me trim the edges. But considering how much I have bleached this, like, I am really shocked at how nice it feels. I think cutting off all of those dead ends that I had, because I took off about 3 inches, but it was all just dead fluffy hair. I think cutting off a massive chunk really helped my hair, like really helped it. It feels a lot thicker, it feels a lot healthier. Like, I think it's in good condition. I watched Brad's clips and Googled and tried to do as much research as possible, because I know it's an at-home job, but I didn't want it to be crap. Okay, let's be real. It's not going to be as good for you as going to the hairdressers. I'm impatient, many people are. Many people are doing at-home jobs. If you can wait, wait. If you're like me and you can't, then just research it. Watch all of the Brad that you can, and just make sure you get the good stuff. Don't buy the cheap crap, because then yeah, your hair's gonna fall out and you'll look like a divvy. If you were wondering, I have just really loosely barrel curled my hair with my Numi hair wand, which I really like, and it twists, which is actually really handy when you're like going backwards, because this doesn't get in your way. But I really rate that. Then I just put a tiny bit of the Sebastian texture spray in it just to keep some of the hold, and then I basically just left it. I don't want to mess with it too much. Obviously I'm very aware that I've bleached it, so I'm going to try and avoid heat as much as possible. So I washed it fresh this morning, so I've got my silk pillowcases. I'm going to leave this as long as I can, probably like 3-4 days. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I just wanted to basically bring you along so you could watch me, thankfully, not wreck my hair. Hope you like it too. Feel free to tell me if you don't, that's fine. But yeah, this is my finished look. Again, I am not saying do your hair at home. Not saying that that's a good idea. And if you do decide to do it, just please do like tons of research. Make sure you get the good stuff, make sure you know what you're doing, make sure you've got someone there to help you a little bit, and take your time. don't do like a rush box job. But yeah, so I'm really pleased with the way that it's turned out, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Obviously, I'm just small time up in here, but I promise I'll get some better videos coming out for you. So you want to stick around. Stay safe, stay well, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye. I love it. I look so fine. Ugh.